Guys, welcome back to another reaction video with your girl, an African girl reacting to this song. Guys, welcome back. If you're new here, you're welcome, and consider joining this channel by smashing that button to subscribe, and do not forget to turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever I post any video. And to my returning subscribers, I love you guys. You all know that I love you. Welcome back. Today, guys, I'll be reacting to Karija Cha Cha Cha, Finland National Final Performance, Eurovision 2023. Wow. Guys, without further ado, sit back, relax while I get this video. Who is he? That's Karija. Wow, their intro is very, very interesting. Wow. Wow, sick crowd. Their song is amazing. I mean, who is this artist? Karija. Wow, guys. Their performance, the stage. These guys are amazing. Did you guys watch this with me? It's really amazing. I really enjoyed their performance. Whatever they did on that stage is absolutely amazing, because it's not easy. It's not easy at all. Can you imagine? Wow. Guys, let me hear from you in the comment section what you think about their performance and the song Cha Cha. Wow. See you guys in my next video, and until next time, remain safe and sound. Bye, guys.
Tää jäi